your Chief Everything Officer at Heyday Footwear, and we're going to take a quick look at the ridiculously exclusive black Monster Anaconda Super Shift. As you know, we are famous for doing our Anaconda and Python embossed high tops. This one is certainly one of the top ones we have ever done. It is a super glossy black patent on top of a tennis ball yellow, very bright fluorescent yellowy green microfiber base. This is some fairly advanced and expensive materials used in this. We've got black patent leather overlays. It's on our completely flat stitched on cup sole, perfect for any leg day exercise, deadlift, doesn't matter. Memory foam footbed, these are so comfortable. You can train in them, dance in them, box in them, whatever you want. Stand in an expo, stand in a store all day long, and you will feel great. It's got our signature wraparound tongue, Velcro midfoot strap. Just looks amazing. It's not hype, it's Heyday.